Kiumia tukite niguo kigomano kiria gituthurite ndereti ngurani gitanyitwo kwambiririo. Kigomano kiria kurekwirwo mamwe ma maundu maria matanyite kwariririo ni mugaru na unduire na witikio wa ukristiano.
Yes, we're all good to go. We're really very grateful to the government of Kenya for all the support and all the logistics that are in place. We are very comfortable.
And I want to indicate once again that we are set to go and we are rolling. Particularly events has been happening from today until the end of the summit.
Kuringana na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta, Kenya ndinginyita baru ndereti yothe irathie mugaru na witikio na unduire uge uria uranyitirwo baru ni ngwataniro ya atungatiri ya dini ya Katoliki.
Wale ambao wanakuja wiki ijayo watajaribu kuja kutusomesha ambaye sisi tutakataa kwa sababu hailingani na mila zetu.
Ni kuingiza kwa nyuma, kwa mlango wa nyuma, tabia, hali na mambo ambayo si ya kikwetu kimila na mengi ambao pia yanapingwa na madhehebu na dini mbalimbali.
Atafania akigomano giki maugite mamwe ma maundu maria makaririria ni ugimarithia wa iretu ndumwe na hiko cia tene niguo gutigirira iretu othe guku bururi-ini na Afrika iri yothe ni magitirwo.
We're here in Nairobi to recommit to do better, to deliver for women and girls, to make sure that by 2030 we see zero unmet need for family planning, zero preventable deaths, maternal deaths, and zero harmful practices and violence against women.
Oho ni maugite ni makaririria ikuo cia atumia riria marathie kuheo ciana kuria maugite atumia ingi ni mateaga mioyo yao.
Let me reassure everyone, this summit is about saving lives. This summit is about the 800 women who die every single day, also today in childbirth or during their pregnancy. This is about the 250 million women who would like to use modern contraceptives and simply don't have access to that.
Kigomano giki gikambiriria tariki 12 nginyagia tariki 14 mweri uyu. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.